Yo guys, and welcome to a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my camera bag for 2025. Yeah, this is the cinema edition, as you can see. Cool. So let's start off with the Blackmagic Pocket 6K G2. You're asking me why I got the G2 instead of the Pro. I mean, saving yourself a couple £100 for ND filters and a brighter screen. Well, you're most probably gonna have a monitor anyway. Doesn't make sense. But yeah, this camera is crazy. Like, you can do everything with it, from short films to movies to music videos to commercials. Like, it's literally changed the way I film, the way I even approach shots, my cinematography, my framing. I just feel like it's made me a better cinematographer. And yeah, next we'll get into the lenses. We got the Tokina 11 to 16mm and the Tokina 28 to 70mm. Both are great lenses. They're pretty old, but that's why I like them, because they've got like that stylish look, bit more character than your usual like new plate lenses. These lenses just pair well with it. Yeah, so we got what's the name of this again? Obviously it's a VHS camera, but Sony, I forgot the name. Yeah, everyone kind of knows what this does, what kind of look it gives you. You can't really use it for every shoot. It's more like specific shots that you want to get. Yeah, next we've got the DJI Max Mini. Really good mics, to be honest. Like, DJI is on a generational run right now. I feel like they're probably the leading company in camera gear at the moment. We've got obviously this pouch with ND filters and stuff. It's just a pouch, ND filters. We got mist filters. We got wipes, like everything to do with lens maintenance. And yeah, man. We also got this. Everyone knows about this. You gotta have one of these, like whatever rig you have. Like, you can't rig a camera without a toolkit. Obviously this is enough for what I do, but you know what I mean. And lastly, we got the 10 bar Cinelux 21. This is probably the best bag I've ever bought in my life. It literally fits everything in it. You can rig out your camera fully and then just put it in the bag, carry it around and keep it safe. And yeah, man, I'm gonna probably do a different one for like my run and gun kit with the Ronin and the Sony. But yeah, this is, you know, for the more cinematic shoots. This is what I would usually have in my bag. Obviously sometimes you can have a few different bits and bobs, but mainly I would have this in the bag. And yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. And yeah, man, I'll catch you in the next one. Love.